1 year ago this weekend, Congresswoman Gabby Giffords was shot in the head by a crazed gunman. She's now healthy enough to attend some of the memorials.
I think it shows that we're actually more of a community and not just a bunch of individuals living here, that we care what happens in our community.
From sunrise drum ceremonies to sporting events like a 5K run and a weightlifting contest, thousands of people turned out for at least a good remembrances to the event that shook Arizona and the country. Giffords attended at least two. Taking a look at the scene of the crime. But Giffords wasn't the only victim, as you know. 6 people were killed, 13 wounded. They were also remembered.
This should be a day for everybody who's lost someone to celebrate their life and celebrate the joys.
Federal judges from across Arizona gathered in Tucson to honor Judge John Lowell. Lowell served as chief judge of the District of Arizona until he was killed on that day 1 year ago. Tomorrow. A growing number of people are going gluten-free. If you're one of them, maybe you've noticed this brand at your local natural food market. Andy and Dream. Products are made with quinoa. Up next, we'll talk to the Los Angeles woman who created a line of gluten-free soups, pastas, and cookies, and bettered the lives of hundreds